Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change the bank Dhofar mobile number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change your mobile number at Bank Dhofar, what you need to do first is use the Bank Dhofar call center or IVR. Bank Dhofar offers update mobile number service via their IVR or call center. Call their 24/7 helpline plus 968 2479 and 1111. Once you update the number through the call center or IVR, the new mobile number will be updated in the bank core records, so OTPs, alerts, mobile banking access, etc. will go to the new number. The next is to visit a Bank Dhofar branch and submit a customer information update or KYC form. Bank Dhofar keeps a customer information update KYC mechanism for updating personal or contact details, including mobile number. Go to your branch, ask for the customer information update form, and fill in your new mobile number and sign in where you need it. Provide ID or account verification if requested. The bank will process and update records. This is useful especially if you also need to update other personal information like address, ID, etc. If you use mobile banking or SMS banking, ensure the number change is reflected in mobile or SMS banking profiles, because Bank Dhofar uses your registered mobile number for security codes like OTP, SMS alerts, and mobile banking functions. And after changing the number, try logging in or triggering an OTP to make sure everything works correctly. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.